Science with Salem
and Stevie.
Today we're going to be doing an experiment called the Magic Milk Experiment. So when we start a science experiment, Salem's showing you our supplies. We have dish soap. I'm going to pour a little bit into here so it's easier for us to use. We're using mostly stuff that you might have at home. So if you have a grown-up who wants to do this with you, you can try this at home too. Or you can just watch ours because we'll make sure and show you all the cool stuff we do. Oh, you can hold that. Okay. We have Q-tips. We have some milk. I'll let Casey pour that. And then we have food coloring. We have lots of colors today. We have dark green, light green, purple, pink, red, light blue, dark blue, and yellow. So it's okay if you don't have that many colors at home because we have lots today. So before you start an experiment, you have to think about and make a hypothesis. So a hypothesis is a prediction or a guess about what will happen. So we'll think about what will happen. We're going to pour milk into here, add some color, and then what do you think will happen once we dip our Q-tip in the dish soap and add it to our milk and colors? So, Casey, do you have a hypothesis about what you think will happen?
I think all the colors are gonna swirl together.
Ooh, you think? Okay, so we're gonna start. So we're gonna pour the milk. We don't need too much, just to cover the bottom. Okay. Stevie's being a good helper right now. What colors? How many do you think we should do?
I think we should do 3 colors.
Okay, we're gonna start with 3 colors. We'll let Salem choose the first color. Let's see.
Can you pick a color, Salem?
Oh, what color did Salem pick? Dark green. We're gonna add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we just added dark green, so that means we need 2 more colors.
Can you pick one?
Which one do you want? That looks like, what color did she pick? Dark blue, so we're gonna do 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1 more color. What do you pick, Salem? Oh, she went right for this one. What color is this? It might be hard to tell in your video. This color is pink. So let's count 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I try to spread my drops out so we have drops all over. Okay. Okay, now that we've added 3 different colors, we're gonna take our Q-tip, we're gonna dip it in our dish soap, and I'm just gonna put it right in the middle and we'll watch what happens, okay? Together. So was your hypothesis correct? Casey's was. Right? Is that what you thought would happen, Salem Loon? Okay, so we're going to dump it out and we're going to do it one more time so you can watch again, okay? So remember, first we pour our milk. Just a little bit. Okay, what do you think, Casey? 3 colors again?
Let's go for 4 colors.
4 colors. Okay, we only have 5 left, so let's let Casey pick the first color. Let's see which one she'll pick.
Let's do green.
Ooh, light green. So we're gonna count 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So we've done 1 color. We need 3 more colors.
You gotta pick the next one.
Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. That's my favorite color, purple. So let's do 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we've done 2 colors, so we need 2 more to make 4 colors. It's Casey's turn to choose.
Let's do this color.
Ooh, it might be kind of yellow or kind of orange.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done 3 colors, so we need 1 more color to make 4. We can choose right now. Our choices are light blue or red. So I think we should do red. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we've added 4 different colors, so we're gonna see what happens when we dip our Q-tip in the dish soap and put it right in the middle. Okay, so I'll just touch it lightly and see. Wow. The colors go everywhere. You can almost see little bubbles. And I'm not even moving, I'm just holding it, barely touching the surface of the milk. Wow. We learned that when we mix our soap and our milk, the colors swirl around and everything starts to move. So that's because the fat in the milk reacts with the soap. So thank you guys for joining us
For Science with Salem and Stevie.
We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Say bye.